we actually surpassed 2019 traffic in June of this year. And that's reflected, as you said, in AerCap's results. We have raised our guidance for the second time this year, going to $10.25. We had very strong operating cash flow, $1.4 billion of operating cash flow. And that resulted in us receiving a ratings upgrade from both S&P and Moody's to BBB plus and Baa1. So the market's very strong out there, and we're particularly excited about the organic growth we announced this morning, which is a transaction between ourselves and Airbus and Spirit Airlines in the United States for another 36 A320neo aircraft, taking our commitment to the program as the biggest in the world to over 600 units. So we see a very strong market out there for aviation.
I think it's just very quickly, the regions that are offering the most growth and driving your focus then right now, what are those?
It's pretty global. We would say that the recovery is still delayed in Asia Pacific due to the slower reopening of the China market. So we'll see more growth out there as that market gets back to pre-COVID levels. It's the only major market in the world where we're not back to pre-COVID levels, and that's where we'll see more growth over the next couple of years as that market recovers. But generally around the world, and there's significant supply constraints everywhere. Yesterday, Safran announced that they saw a 36% drop in the deliveries of LEAP engines, which power the 737 MAX and the A320neo. And so these supply constraints won't go away for, I suspect, till the end of the decade, which sets up AerCap as the largest owner of aviation assets in the world very well indeed.
Yeah, and I mean, just speaking about some of those supply constraints, then, I mean, you've been a major Boeing customer for years now, and with the situation as it is right now, what reassurances have you been given then that the long road to reputational recovery and fewer incidents is indeed on the horizon, particularly for Boeing?
Look, we have been Boeing's largest customer for 30 years. We have a lot of faith and belief in the Boeing company. It's had a tough time. There is no getting away from that. But there is tremendous talent in that company. We're very excited about the new appointment of Kelly Ortberg. We've been a partner for them for a very long time. And we do expect that Boeing will continue the recovery that it is on. It is a tough business building aircraft. These are 25-year product cycles. They're not iPhones. You can't throw them away after 6 months. The products that they produce, particularly the 787-9, the MAX 8, they are excellent products. And we all expect Boeing to continue its improvement.